Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be on the air today live, Sunday, July the 30th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Boy, that was a lot of information to get out. But we are got a whole variety of topics to talk about this week. We want to look at your comments. We didn't get to them last week. You know how things go on Stephen and Walter Live. We go off on a tangent all the time. So I do want to come back to that because there are some really great comments there that I want to share with everybody. And we have some updates about what's been going on in the last week. And we're going to talk a little bit about security. Yeah, because now that Walter has a new car, we're really concerned about it being stolen, and other things about security in the world. And just, we'll talk about anything. So come along, join the conversation, add to it. You never know, we may go off on another tangent ride here. It could be wild. We hope it is. So join us today, Sunday, July the 30th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time for fun. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.